In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar in Google Vids. So if you want to make your videos more engaging, you can create AI avatars directly inside Google Vids. So let's go step by step. So to start, go to docs.google.com and click on the plus icon right here to start a new video. Now what you need to do is you can click on any templates or you can click on blank vid. So let's do that. Now, next, what you need to do is to add a new scene to your timeline. So this is where your avatar will appear. So as you can see, I've already added mine here. Next, what you need to do is to go to avatar at the top right corner. So click on it to generate an avatar. Now in here, you have two options, current scene and all scenes. So click on current scene and down here, enter your script. So I'm just going to paste mine here. And once done, hover over avatar and click on change to change your avatar. So here you have lots of avatars to choose from. You can hover over it and listen to it. So let's do that.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. It should fit your video's.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style. The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers. The voice you select makes a difference.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your.
The voice you select makes a difference.
The voice you select makes a difference.
So you can choose different characters, voice styles, and presentation tones. So select the one that fits your video style. I'm just going to click on
The
Samir
voice
right
you
here.
select makes a difference in how.
So click on it and click on select. So you can click on preview. And as you can see, it's now creating.
You don't need a camera, microphone, or editing skills to create videos anymore. With Google Vids, you can generate a talking AI avatar in minutes. Let me show you exactly how it works.
So the avatar will automatically generate speech based on your text. Now, once you're happy, click on generate. And as you can see, it's now generating the avatar. So this might take a few minutes. Just wait for it to finish. So the avatar feature lets you turn text into a talking presenter, create videos without recording yourself, and save time on content creation. Now, once it's done generating, click on the preview button.
You don't need a camera, microphone, or editing skills to create videos anymore. With Google Vids, you can generate a talking AI avatar in minutes. Let me show you exactly how it works.
And that's basically it. You now have a fully generated video with an AI avatar speaking your script. Now, if you want to download this one or you want to export it, click on share at the top right. And first, you need to rename your video. Once done, click on save. So if you want to export this video, you can click on the drop down arrow under share and click on download as MP4. So as you can see, it's now downloading. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.